This is the future. Say no to lag and yes to instant talk. And instant talk is instant boost. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another episode of Boost Miners. And today we have a Tesla. This is the Model X 75D, an electric motor on each axle, so it's all-wheel drive, and this car is fast.
We charge it at home. We've got a single phase charger which then we put two separate fast chargers. So the three-phase charger allows you to charge a lot faster.
So a lot faster. How long?
It takes about 3 to 4 hours now with the three-phase charger.
That's good.
Yeah, it's quite fast. Yeah.
So the running costs, yeah?
I did some small math with the kind of information this was giving, and it looked like from charging from 0 to 100 would take about 1,000 shillings or something of that sort of electricity. Any sort of servicing, there's no cost. You know, there's nothing to service. There's no engine, there's no oil
like
change.
A phone.
Yeah, it's like a phone. You know, what do you service in a phone?
No.
If you just do a rough whatever, you know, any car which has a full tank would take maybe 40-50 liters of fuel. That's easily, one tank is about 4,000-5,000 shillings.
That's true.
Easily.
1,000 shillings.
Yeah, for a full
charge.
Yeah.
And it has 400 km of range.
Yeah, it has about 400 kilometers.
About 400 kilometers range.
Yeah.
You did mention you already drive other sports cars like an Evolution and everything, and you said the performance is not even.
It's not. It's, you know, it's not like
a normal car.
A normal car.
You
you wait the 1 or 2 seconds for it to pick up.
Yeah.
This one, you know, especially if you're a new driver, the first time you try to kick on your accelerator, you'll be shocked.
The amount of options you're getting on these cars and for the price is nothing compared
it's nothing.
to what
I mean, you see,
competitors
if you're buying a new Land Cruiser V8, for example, it costs about 18 to 20 million.
Yeah.
This thing costs about 20 million, 22 million. You know, if you're spending another 1 or 2 million extra, you're getting a car which is out of this world. You know?
Out of this world. And so what's the average amount in shillings are you looking to pay for a Tesla
in terms of duty and VAT?
In terms of taxes only.
For this for this Tesla, probably about 7 million. Yeah, it's quite a bit.
Those
it's
are
quite
not
a bit
incentives.
There isn't enough incentives to buy
electric cars.
An electric car, and I mean, you know, every good country would be looking at you know, giving a good incentive.
That's true.
For something which is giving you zero pollution.
That's true.
You know, so the toy box are just small gimmicks that the car has. So for example, this one's a funny gimmick which
if you do this,
if you click on the seat that you want, Yeah, and the sound comes out from there as well. So you got that one. That's a fireplace. So if you'll see, you'll have a fireplace display there.
Wow.
Yeah. Then if you'll see, all your whatever it is blowing warm air out. Yeah, you'll feel like you're at the fireplace. Yeah. You've got the suspension. So you've got to press the brake to enable it, and then you can adjust the heights of the vehicle. So you've got the high, you can set it at high, standard, low, very low, and then the jack mode. So you have a puncher, then you put it in jack mode. Then you've got the autopilot. So the autopilot, you've got now, you can set a speed limit. It'll alert you either by display or by chime. Then you can
What's
put in
by chime?
By chime means it'll by sound.
By sound.
Yeah. So the display would tell you you're exceeding you're exceeding the speed limit that you've set. Then you've got a blind spot warning, automatic emergency braking, obstacle aware acceleration, all those things you've got. So for example, you see if you got that door, you can open it, you'll see it opening in real time. You can do the driver door, you open that, it's showing you, you can close it back from there. Then you've got regenerative braking. So this is regenerative braking, allows as you're braking, it'll charge the battery by a little bit. Change all those. This one passes here every day.
Oh dear.